Homogeneous linear equations. So let's see the working principle. Okay, so reduce the augmented matrix AB to an echelon form. So we'll see with an example what is augmented matrix. Okay, find the rank of A and the augmented matrix AB. Then if the rank is not equal, then the system is called as inconsistent. Okay, if the system is inconsistent, it has no solution. Okay, and if the rank of A is equal to the rank of augmented matrix, then the system is consistent. When the system is consistent, we have two solutions. It can either be a unique solution or infinite solution depending on the condition. So what is a condition is when rank of the matrix A and the rank of the matrix augmented matrix AB is equal, and that is equal to number of unknowns. Say we have an equation x square plus y square is equal to 3. Then we have x square and y square to be unknowns. So two unknowns. If the rank is equal to the unknowns, number of unknowns, then we can say that it has unique solution. If it is less than the number of unknowns, we can say it has infinite solutions. We will understand this concept better using an example. Okay, so the rank is not equal, then inconsistent. If the ranks are equal, then it is consistent. If it is equal and it is equal to number of unknowns, has unique solution. If it is less than the number of unknowns, it has infinite solutions. Here's a problem. X plus y minus 2z is equal to 5, and we have three equations given. Okay, so now we will write this equation in matrix form. So let us consider A to be one matrix which has the coefficients of x, y and z. So what is the coefficient of x? 1. Coefficient of y? 1. Coefficient of z? minus 2. Coefficient of x? 1. Coefficient of y? minus 2. Z 1, x minus 2, y 1, z and 1. So which is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we have equal to the constants, right? That we will take it as another matrix B. So that is 5, minus 2 and 4, which is a 3 cross 1 matrix. So now augmented matrix, that is A is to B. So this matrix is nothing but we are joining these two matrices this way. That is 1, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 1. You're putting two dots and writing these numbers here. This matrix is nothing but your augmented matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 4. Okay, now perform row reduced echelon form on this matrix and obtain the rank of the given matrix. Okay, so how to solve for row reduced echelon form? The first element of the first row should be 1. It is 1. Now we should make the 0. In order to make the 0, what can we do? We can perform the operation R2 changes to R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0, right? So augmented matrix AB. Now 1, 1, minus 2. First row remains the same. Second row is changing. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1. Okay, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 1 minus of minus 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3 is 2. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Again, write the last row as it is. Now again, in order to change this number to 0, what can we do? We have to multiply this row with minus 2 and or this row with 2 and add it up, right? So R3 changes to R3 plus 2R2, sorry 2R1. Now what happens? A augmented matrix AB is written as 1, 1, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 3, 3, minus 7. Now this is changing. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Again 1 plus 1, 2. Again we have, this is into 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Minus 3 and 14. Again in order to make these two numbers 0, what can we do? Yes, R3 plus R2. So R3 changes to R3 plus R2. Now we can write this augmented matrix in this way: 1, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 3 minus 7, and 0, 0, 0. These two we get 7. Yes? Okay. Now can we do anything further? No, we cannot, right? So what can we do? We can take the rank of this matrix. What is the rank of this matrix? The rank of this augmented matrix is nothing but number of non-zero rows, 1, 2, 3. So number of non-zero rows is 3. What is the rank of the given matrix A? The rank of the given matrix A is, matrix A is nothing but only this much, right? So consider only this much from this matrix and you can say you have how many number of non-zero rows? Now matrix A is only this much. So number of non-zero rows is 1 and 1, that is 2. 1, 2. Now what is your conclusion? Rank of augmented matrix AB, is it equal to rank of matrix A? 3 is equal to 2? No, right? So it is not equal. Therefore, what is our conclusion? Since these ranks are not equal, therefore the given system of linear equations is inconsistent. If it is inconsistent, what is your conclusion? Has no solution and has no solution. Let's solve one more problem. So what is our matrix A? The coefficients of x, y, z, right? So it is 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1 and 2, 2 minus 2, 3. Coefficients of x, y and z we have written as matrix A. And what will be your matrix B? These three constants, right? 3, 1, 2. 3 cross 3 matrix and 3 cross 1 matrix. Now we have to find the rank of the augmented matrix, right? So what is your augmented matrix? Combine these two and write, right? So that is 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2 and 3. Now combine these two, we get 3, 1, 2. Now reduce this using row reduced echelon form. So what is your first step? This is 1, so it's already 1. This has to be 0, so we can perform R2 changes to R2 minus 3 R1. So performing this operation, what will you get? So we get 1, 2 minus 1 and 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 3 2s are 6, minus 1 minus 6 becomes minus 7 and this becomes 5, minus 5. And again writing the last row as it is. Now change this number to 0. In order to do that, we can use the operation R3 changes to R3 minus 2 R1. So what are we doing now? Yes, A, B, augmented matrix AB can be written as now 1, 2 minus 1, 3 and 0 minus 7, 5 minus 5, and now this becomes 0 minus 2, 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? Minus 2 minus 2 2s are 4. It is minus 6 and 5 minus 4. Now let's subtract R3 changes to R3 minus R2. We get the matrix. Now in order to change this number, we can say R3 changes to 7 R3 plus R2. So we get the augmented matrix. Yes, now what is the rank of this matrix? It's nothing but rank of the augmented matrix is number of non-zero rows, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. What is the rank of the matrix A? That is leaving this it is 1, 2, 3. That means you have rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of A. Now we can say the system is consistent, and either it can be a unique solution or it has infinite solution. So how will you find that? If this is equal to 3, right? If this is equal to number of unknowns. What is the number of unknowns in this question? Yes, number of unknowns is nothing but x, y and z. So number of unknowns is 3. Yes, x is 1, y is 1 and z is 1. So 3 unknowns we have. So number of unknowns, right? So this is equal to number of unknowns. That means the system has unique solution. So we have an equivalent solution. How to find that? Okay, that is unique solution. We have the row reduced matrix to be this one. So what will we can write this as x, y, z is equal to this, right? These are the coefficients, right? So we have x plus 2y minus 1z is equal to 3, and second line you can make this as minus 7y is equal to minus 8, and third line 5z is equal to 20. 5z is equal to 20. Solve this and find x, y, z. Okay, so 5z is equal to 20 we have. So what is z? Z is equal to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So your answer is 4. Z is equal to 4. Now apply z is equal to 4 in the second equation. So what do you get? Minus 7y. Okay, minus 7y plus 5z it was, right? Is equal to minus 8. Minus 7y plus 5z is equal to minus 8. So apply the value of z here. Minus 7y plus 5 into 4 is equal to minus 8. What do you get? Minus 7y is equal to minus 8 minus 20. So minus 7y is equal to minus 28. Y is equal to, y, this minus minus gets cancelled, 28 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are, it is 4. So y is also equal to 4. Now apply z and y values in the equation 1. That is x plus 2y minus 1z is equal to 3. We have x plus 2y minus z is equal to 3. We know value of z is 4, value of y is also 4, and we don't know the value of x is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4, 4. So it is plus 4, bringing to this side it becomes minus 4. So x is equal to minus 1. So now we have to write this as a matrix capital X. So matrix capital X is nothing but x, y, z, the number of unknowns. The unknowns we are writing. So what was the x value we found out? Minus 1. Y is 4, z is 4. This is your the unique solution. Thank you.